My name is Marcus with MLC CAD Systems in Stillwater, Oklahoma. I've been with MLC for 15 years doing technical support, training, demonstrations, and have kind of moved around between various different departments, and now I focus on content in the marketing department. I came to work with MLC CAD Systems because I got to know the local team. I got to see them in action when they were doing things like the launch events and demonstrations for the product, providing technical support, and it was something that I was really passionate about. I loved SolidWorks, I loved helping people, and I loved being in Stillwater. It was a great fit for me location-wise as well.
My name is Bryce Babinick. I am the 3D printing technician here out of Dallas, and I've been here for about a year. So I chose MLC first off because the actual job itself was so much closer to what I wanted to do than anything else I saw. I get to do a lot of stuff with 3D printing, which is a big passion of mine, and just was really, really excited for that. But one of the other big things was reading the reviews. If you read on Glassdoor, this place has like some of the best reviews of anywhere I've seen before, and I can say that they are pretty much true after working here.
My name is Tammy Basemore, and I am in the order entry department. I am the order entry supervisor, and I have been working for MLC for 10 years. I chose MLC because at the time, MLC was a smaller company. I learned that they were a family-based business, which is what I was looking for because I am very family-oriented myself personally.
My name is Brenna Stevens. I am out of the Houston office. I'm the Gulf Coast Regional Manager, and I've been with MLC for 14 years. I chose MLC because I had done a lot of interviews, I had done a lot of job searching, and I really enjoyed the conversations I had with Dennis and Charlotte initially, and then with Kevin afterwards. Something really just kind of felt right about the company. I didn't know anything about it. I didn't have any kind of engineering background. I didn't have any kind of expectations coming into the company. I just liked the people that I had met so far, and it suited me. And we were looking to move, and everything kind of aligned properly, so we made the leap and moved over.
My name is Philip Morrow. I'm an applications expert here with MLC CAD Systems out of our Austin, Texas office. This is where I was hired out of. It's where I work out of mainly, though I travel a good bit. And in mail, I've been here 10 years. I chose MLC initially because I knew it would expand my skills as an engineer. I was working as a mechanical engineer. I was using the SolidWorks tool set, and I thought, if I come here, they're going to train me how to use these tools like an expert, and I'm going to meet all these engineering companies and have a huge network. That definitely became true, and then a lot more than that, which is why I'm still here a decade later. The previous place I was at, I didn't feel there was a lot of rungs on the ladder, but when I looked at MLC, I thought there's a lot of growth for me personally and potentially for the company, but I could still stay at a small company where you have a lot of flexibility, not a lot of red tape.
My name is Angie Hall. I am a territory development rep here at MLC CAD Systems, and I've been here for 6 years. When I chose MLC, it was a new career path for me. I've had a lot of different jobs. I was a teacher before, I was a flight attendant, and I think having good leadership is sometimes something that people really overlook, and I've really enjoyed my leadership here. So I've ended up staying at MLC because of the people and my leadership.
Soy Maika. Trabajo en MLC CAD System en el área de ventas internas. He trabajado en la empresa por 1 año y medio y estoy en el área de Austin, Texas. A todas las personas que quisieran trabajar en MLC CAD Systems, yo les puedo decir que esta es una empresa responsable, que tiene una cultura basada en el crecimiento profesional y orientada al trabajo en equipo.
So my name is Charlie Rogers. I'm the Territory Development Representative for MLC CAD Systems in Kansas and Missouri, based here in our Kansas City office. Been working with MLC for 2.5 to 3 years, kind of in between there. I chose MLC because the people that interviewed me specifically. So I immediately made connections with Don Disco, Ryan Karanka, and Kevin Schreiner. And during that interview process, we were able to really gain a good rapport. They were able to communicate, the value of MLC, but also, what kind of fit I was going to be within the culture there. So the other piece of the puzzle, and that weighed in my mind, was the tenure of MLC's employees. When you look on there and see the people have been there for 7.5 years on average, That's a pretty good sign that you're working with a stable organization. I was looking for a long-term fit, someplace I could grow and, call home